2. Good day, my friends, and Good day, my friends, and welcome to day 2 of VLOGMAS. Welcome back, friends, and happy VLOGMAS day 2. Today has been one of those really hectic days where we just have to run errands and doctor's appointments and then unpack for my trip, do laundry, all that stuff. I have a ton of boxes from all these packages that I've received, and I've been saving them because I want to just use them as fake gifts under the trees. However, they're piling up, which means they're causing clutter. So either they get wrapped and prettied up, or they're gonna go into recycling. That's it. There's no more, that's it. I don't need to see them anymore. Later tonight, I am actually gonna be helping decorate the club room and parts of the building with my neighbors. So I'm really excited about that. Oh my god, the sun is really coming through today. Whoa, it's blinding. I'm really excited about decorating the building with my neighbors. We usually get together at night and just kind of go around and put up trees, wrap boxes. You know, we love wrapping boxes apparently. That'll be cute. I'll probably get some video footage for you all and share a little bit about it. And we're probably gonna go to the storage unit and pick out all the wrapping paper and stuff. But yeah, so come on, let's do it. Okay, my friends, I did not realize that I never filmed an outro for my Vlogmas video for today. So here it is. And I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you for spending some time with me today. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, help me get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. It is my goal and I am manifesting this. Also, boxes, see? Still unwrapped. I promise you all, they will be wrapped. Trust me, they are driving me crazy. But it was a very hectic day. And now I'm just gonna get ready probably and do other things around the house. And I will see you all tomorrow. And always remember, the journey is what brings us happiness, not the destination. I love you all. See you tomorrow. Bye.